Hi, I'm Mika Truman, and welcome to my YouTube channel, my Patreon channel, the membership platform on YouTube, MeWe, Rumble. Welcome, welcome, and of course, always welcome to Frankincense School of Mystical Arts. And you can always find me there, which is fsma.life. Please don't forget to check me out. And if you like these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So as I was looking into the fifth density, I was looking at how is this going to affect your relationships? How is this going to affect your love life? How is it going to affect past relationships? And Spirit was showing me a very interesting thing. Spirit was showing me that we may be headed towards a massive flood of ex-past relationships coming forward. The reason being is that as we enter into the fifth density, it brings any unfinished business forward. That means any unfinished past relationships, whether that is lovers, old past girlfriends, guy friends, ex-husbands, ex-wives, if those relationships are unfinished, it's going to bring them to the forefront to get rectified, to get fixed, to get made right. But what's really interesting is that Spirit showed me this crash and fall of narcissism behavior. And I'm like, that's really weird. Why? Why is that going to be the case? Because they're showing me that within the fifth density, people cannot move forward and progress unless they have cleaned up the garbage of the past. And they're showing me that, especially if we are older, we cannot move forward if we have not cleaned up the baggage. So and the reason why I say the older that we get, the more this is going to impact us, it's because we have had more time on the planet to create ill feelings, mess up relationships. We've had more time to screw things up. Let's just say it. So that's what it is. So now, any of those relationships that we did not repair may come back to where we need to fix them, we need to repair them. Because in order to enter into this new world, this fifth density, you can't bring the crap with you. You just can't, because it's heavy and it's part of the third density. And you can't bring the old into the new. It has to go. And some of us have lots of baggage that is connected to past relationships, where maybe, you had some big, ugly, sticky divorce or breakup, and we didn't take ownership and acknowledge our own actions. Maybe the person that you were with didn't take ownership. Maybe they blamed you for everything. And then they just left. And then you were left here wondering what just happened. You never got an apology. You never got acknowledgement. So then therefore, it did not really necessarily allow you to move on and to progress and to flourish and grow as you could have if that person would have made things right. So going into this other density, if we don't clean it up and take care of it, and move forward, how do you move forward? And I do get, Spirit showed me that we're headed towards this point where you're most likely going to see a lot of exes returning in some way to apologize, to make it better, to make it right, because they are seeing very clearly what they have done. There's no more mask. There's no more hiding behind lies. That can't happen. All the truth must come out, and that's where the planet is right now. That's why here shortly you very well could see all of the lies and all the manipulations start to come out, is because that's where we're at. You cannot hide who you are any longer. And so if you expect to go into this beautiful world where it's love and it's peaceful and Nasara Drasara resides, you must clean up the past. And then you say, well, I don't even know how to get a hold of that person. I don't even know what happened to them. They could be dead. I don't even know. They're going to show up and they will find you, because we are entering into Aquarius energy, a very strong air sign, which is going to make things happen really quickly and really fast. That's where we're headed. So your wish is my command. And when we wish to go to the 5th density, whatever is holding us back may show up in order for us to fix it. Because remember, whatever happens on the spiritual realm has to happen on the physical, inward, outward. You can say, I'm sorry that I hurt you 800 times, but sometimes you need that little bit of one-on-one in some capacity, whether it's through internet or telephone or anything like that, to clear the air, to clear space, to jump you ahead into this 5th density. So we're heading towards this point where relationships are going to be pure, and you will see very clearly your behavior, if it was less than where it should be, really come forward as if mud on you, mud on your face, and you're going to say, wow, you know what? I could have treated them better. I could have been a better friend. I sabotaged that relationship and I treated them awful. It's going to become very clear instantaneously. No more hiding behind our egotistic side. No more. This is where it's going to change. And everything about you will be as if a movie screen in front of you and you can watch it. As if a third party, where you're sitting back and you're looking and you're remembering, I did this and this and this. That probably wasn't very cool. I better go fix it. And then all of a sudden, you think, I'm going to fix it. All of a sudden, some level, they cross your path and you're able to fix it. This is the energy that we're going into. Your wish is my command. Where, okay, all of a sudden, you're thinking it, it's happening. You're thinking out of debt, it's happening. You're thinking of, I want peace in my life, it's happening. We're headed towards that energy. And it's going to be really easy and really simple to move through our baggage. And the biggest reason why is because not only you are shifting, but everybody is shifting. The egos are falling by the wayside. Those are being left in the 3rd density. They're not going into the 4th or 5th. No. And so sometimes where you may have doubted making amends and making things right because of how you were going to be received, that's going to change. You will find that you very well could be embraced by a loving energy, by that person who portrayed this narcissistic behavior, and we thought there was no way imaginable that they could be decent and nice. All of a sudden, they're loving and they're taking ownership, and it makes that beautiful moment where you are healed and they are healed, and forgiveness is shown and given on both parts. This is the energy that we're headed towards. It's a healing time. And I just wanted to jump on and share this with you, this beautiful relationship shift and change that we're headed towards. So please, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget like and subscribe and share it. And don't forget to join our Patreon, the membership platform on YouTube. And also join us on Rumble and MeWe. But until next time, you can always find me on fsma.life. and we will connect in these platforms again very soon. Blessings to you.